variations on the volley.
Kind of. You can do them next to you. I do them better with my left hand. Well, I do them better left-handed like this. Or you can do it in front of you. It's the same thing. Just out here. Or you can do that. Overhand. I don't know if I can do it with this long whip, but I'll give it a shot. Kind of. Alright. Now this one, I figured out how to do on the 4-foot goal that Robert Dante sent me. Thanks again. And then, well, yeah, it's basically this. Yep. Oh, and here's how you do this thing. Do the normal wrap, but instead of doing it like that, kind of leave it off, so that it's always about 6 inches away from your body. When you bring it back around, slide it across so it makes a loop. Like so. That's how it's done. Yippee!